Wala pa.
Hindi naman tutuloy yung Dingdong.
Ano supposedly ang title mo?
Atikat.
Ano?
Atikat.
Atikat.
But they're thinking of doing it with you and Jeff. Pagkasamahin kayo. So you don't mind Jeff and
Mark, are you friends with Ding Dong? No.
Hindi kayo acquaintance? Hindi ba kayo nag-meet? Nag-meet mo na?
So I suppose you have not heard from him when this issue broke.
But when you said that you were excited to work with him, you were not hearing it, saying it intentionally to be heard by her. Ano yung ba sinabi?
Actually, no, kasi at the time nagpumirigal press mo na kung
So sa press con mo nasabi lang yun?
But then the thing is, parang for me, everybody knows naman, so public na ako naman, very,
Nagtrato siguro si Mario. Saan?
Hindi niya ba sinabi sa'yo kung ano yung nakarating sa kanya? Baka kasi yun lang talaga.
Ano sabi?
sinabi talaga niya sa akin. Kasi, sabi ko na excited. Feeling he said, he want to say that next time, say something. So, I don't want to elaborate.
So ano sinagot mo? Ang sabi niya kasi sa press con, it was something, it was an incident between friends. And hindi raw niya akalain.
O tinuring ka rin niyang kaibigan.
I'm very easy to talk to. Ayaw ko lang sila ng mabangga. Ano man ang komportable yung tao. I'm a people pleaser. I like to make people happy. So, kung ano man ang problema, I'm fine to give whatever makes them happy.
Sinigawan ka ba? Sinigawan ka ba niya?
Sigaw, yung pagsabi.
Galit pa siya?
So you were taken aback?
Umiyak na lang ako.
Hindi ka naman kinilong sa kwarto. Banyo.
CR.
CR. Natanong na kanina.
Never, never.
Kasi yun yung sinasabi niya na surprise siya dun sa airport incident. Kasi nga daw, something happened. Ang akala niya.
Ayos na kayo doon.
Bakit siya nagsalita ng ganong,
Ang
may,
dami
na may
mong
ganong
bodyguard.
incident sa airport na
Eh, marami raw nakakita.
Tapos sabi pa niya, siya daw
Siya raw ang, oo.
bakit niya
Till the day, until nga doon na nagbagong lahat. And then, nung kinusap niya ako about yung sa excitement, hindi yun yung support ko eh. But doon na nga, nasusunod na ako. Pumunta na siya sa court.
Doon niya sa La Playa where we stay.
Alas yun na lang kasama ko. And then, yun nga, lagi sinabi sa akin,
Ano po ba? Heart, saan pumasok yung mga, saan pumasok yung mga linyang may nagsabing bobo ka, yung mga ganun? Saan galing yun?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Of course, siguro, yung side niya or yung fans niya na hahanap sila ng reason. I don't say bubita. Kasi stupid siguro, pero hindi ko sasabihin sa kanya. So, I mean, it's her time. She's married. Pero who would want to go against her? No one wants to.
Ano yung pagbabanta niya, Heart? Saan mo kanina papatayin? Ano ba yung pagbabanta?
sa buya ng asido.
For now, yun lang ang desire ko sa wala yung wala na ako. But, madami ko siya nasabi that that triggered everything to happen, na yung chain reaction na ganyan. And also kasi, panantanahin yung mga kasama ko outside the time, sabi niya, babalik daw siya, babalik siya. Pumunta ako dun sa isa sa production. Humingi ako ng tulong. They were going to change my room. And then on my way back,
Accent.
ayun na naman.
Wala kang sinabihan sa co-stars.
Alam nila.
Nakikita nila.
Pero, yun nga, actually, I don't want to oo eh. Minsan parang mas madali pa ko sa alam nila ito, alam nila yan. But it's not that. It's because they have their own problems in life. And hindi nila kasalanan na nandun sila. Gusto nila tumulong sa sitwasyon. Wala silang pinakakyan. Gusto lang nila tumulong sa sitwasyon. I don't need to drag them and, you know, say their names. Oo naman sila.
Sinabi sa'yo first time lunch, dinner, ngayon na, saan sinabi? Yan doon mo sabihin na excited. When did it?
During eksena na.
Sa eksena na.
Sa Ilocos na yan.
Umaga, hapon.
One of the first scenes we
One of the
shot.
first scenes.
Excuse me. What do you do? How do you find it? Siyempre ngayon, modern kami. Well, at this point, I just stay home. Sometimes I walk my dog, ganyan. Aso ko lang naman yung
Ano name ng dog mo?
Yogi.
Anong aso yun?
German Shepherd.
German Shepherd. Ay, sabi niya, may sinabi siya.
Oo.
Di ba daw ni ng aso? Ikaw.
Kung ano man yun. You know, love life, family, friends, get support from people that love me.
Heart. Sorry. Anong masasabi ko? Kasi nung press conference, si Lovey was very careful.
Ayaw niya magsalita.
Any statement. Sabi niya kasi nga daw, wala ka doon, wala yung mamuna. So, she'd rather not talk. Ano yung gusto mo sabihin kay Lovey?
Ano na ito siguro din sasabihin ko that I sabihin thank you. Kasi if I say thank you, I don't want anybody to think that anybody's siding with anybody.
Sabi mo, you don't want to drag them.
Yeah. So, siguro ano na lang, thank you for everybody, for everybody. Sorry na lang siguro actually sa kanilang lahat na drag yung tamay sila dito. Kasi nobody needs to be put on the spot. I didn't ask for it.
Sa ganun, Heart, who would go against Marian? She's Marian Rivera. Ibig ba sabihin na napaka-powerful ni Marian na hindi siya pwedeng galawin o hindi siya pwedeng criticize?
Mari, it's her time now, and kumbaga she's famous, and being famous, everything comes with that. So, she's famous for a reason because she's excelling with what she's doing. And when you say that, you must look up to this person for her to excel with what she's doing. And what? I wouldn't say anything negative about that. So why would I go against her?
Natatakot ka ba na baka hindi ka paniwalaan? Instead baka nga...
No, actually, I'm not really here to convince her fans not to love her. I understand they love her. I would love my idol too. But I'm just here because I cannot just allow people to say that I'm a bad person. Because hindi talaga.
Heart, na bago ba ang tingin mo kay Marian after the incident, after all this issues and controversy?
I really don't know. I'm so confused. I really don't know why.
Is your mom mad at her? Or?
My mom is just upset because she's not the type of person to my mom has a strong personality, and we argue a lot, and I admit that we may not be on the same page 100% all the time, but my mom is she's a very elegant woman, I would say. And dahil sa pagiging elegante niya, nagkakatuloy siya matulog. And so that was used against her. She doesn't have it in her para magkalakan ng isang tao. She doesn't have it in her para manalakan.
Matalakan. Matarayan.
Matalayan.
Matalakan.
Tampalin kita eh.
Sorry ah.
In general, personally, ano ang take mo kung sikat mo yung tao as a giver or yung
Kasi she's been doing that, di ba?
for si Maria, in general, personally as an artista.
I think if you're an achiever, if you have what it takes to be where you are today, I think you should set a good example.
You should practice humility.
Alam ko ba, and this is
Very
pertaining
humble.
being an idol. Being an idol. But it doesn't mean you're perfect. It's how you, I think, when you're a role model doesn't mean you're perfect. You're human. Everybody commits mistakes. But it's how you carry yourself and how you get out of the situation in a positive way. I think that's what
Yeah, at the time that you were in Brazil and you've been hearing all the stories, you were so disconcerted, I suppose.
yeah, syempre.
Di ba? It affected your vacation.
But of course, you're there. And tagal na nang binakit, so you have to, in life, ganun naman talaga. You have to move on and try to enjoy what's there. But since I was jet lagged, minsan sinecheck ko kasi yung fans ko kinakausap ko sa I was also worried that what was being said.
So it was the fans who were informing you.
Nagpapadala sila ng mga nangyayari, ganyan, yung links ng mga interviews.
You said your mother is strong. Strong din kayo. Are you strong also pag na-offend sobra or
No.
hindi ka...
I'm a weakling.
Talaga.
But again, I think these things happen to build up your character. Another addition na lang siguro sa kailangan kong matutunan.
So anong lesson ang
My
natutunan?
lesson, I think, is simple lang siguro. I always believe that walang away na magaganap kung you don't fight back. You know, carry yourself well. And the truth will always come out. You don't need to fear anything.
So understood you were like helping out.
I think that's the best way would be to stay quiet. Because if you're quiet, you will be able to think and understand what's going on. You'll be able to really listen to what the person is telling you and maalala mo ganyan, you're just stay calm.
Alam mo, sa press ko na ako sa
Hindi quiet to.
hindi yung quiet, hindi yung fighting back. Sa showbiz ka.
Kasi ayaw naman, ayaw ko, okay na naman eh. Then, because nga, damages na hindi pa naman na-apekto yung credibility. So, parang kailangan na siguro, diba?
So para sa ng lawyer?
Well, we don't want to offend anyone. We want to do it right. Ayoko madalas sa emotion ko na natatakot ako. We want to be able to carry it well and right. At kumbaga, totoo. So, para walang mali, walang butas, walang offend. Tama lang.
So gusto mo lang mag-ingat?
Oo, gusto na tayo mag-ingat.
Pwede ba marami kasi nangyari doon sa shooting nila. Kung ikaw, nag-fight na yung personal safety mo, and you still want to work with the same team, you have to do something to protect yourself.
So there was a threat to safety niya. Yes.
Siguro kahit sino naman natin, gusto natin magtrabaho ulit. Siya, gusto niya magtrabaho kasi kailangan siguro, tama yun na pahinga na pero afterwards, kailangan para protektan mo ang sarili mo.
Na-trauma ka ba?